Imagine, just for a second, looking up at the night sky. You see 5,000 tiny lights all moving in this perfect, fluid harmony. It doesn't look like some pre-programmed light show, right? It's more like a living, breathing organism. I know, it literally sounds like a scene straight out of a sci-fi movie, but we're actually talking about one of the most exciting breakthroughs happening in modern tech right now. Welcome to our explainer on swarm intelligence, the collective future of robotics.
You see, a single drone, that's a really useful tool. But taking thousands of them and letting them act together with the collective intelligence of, say, a beehive, that completely changes the game. It's an absolute revolution. We're talking about taking automation to a massive, beautifully coordinated scale.
Section 1, the sci-fi reality. Moving right into Section 2, nature's blueprint. So how does this massive, real-time coordination actually work? Well, we have to look directly at the ultimate mentor for this, nature itself. Swarm intelligence, or collective AI, deliberately mimics the behavior of an ant colony or a huge flock of birds. By studying those incredibly complex ecosystems, engineers built tech that lets thousands of autonomous machines avoid collisions and work together seamlessly, like a single unit. There's no central pilot manually flying them with a joystick. No way. Instead, they just react to their environment, adapt on the fly, and cover a massive amount of ground incredibly fast, all as one unified entity.
To put this into a real-world context, researchers in Budapest recently used actual animal movement data to teach drones how to think as a group. And it worked. They successfully got a swarm of 100 drones to fly together flawlessly without a single collision. But here's the real breakthrough. Their immediate goal is to rapidly scale this dynamic system up to 5,000 drones in upcoming trials. 5,000! Which brings us to Section 3, saving the planet.
With thousands of synchronized eyes in the sky, we can totally revolutionize environmental protection. Just think about wildfires for a second. Step 1. Instead of waiting around for a human crew to eventually spot some smoke in a remote forest, a drone swarm can continuously patrol the area entirely on its own. Step 2. Because they're acting collectively, they can map the entire spreading fire in real time, identifying exactly where it's headed. And Step 3. They instantly help coordinate an emergency response. It's a total game changer. And hey, this isn't just limited to the skies over our forests. Think about the ocean. A single boat or even a satellite can easily miss localized disasters out on the water. But a swarm can fan out over massive expanses of the ocean to instantly pinpoint hidden pollution. They literally work together to spot environmental targets like ocean oil spills or massive floating plastic clusters. And they do it with incredible precision.
Now for Section 4, Precision Agriculture.
So beyond emergency response, this tech brings us to a super fascinating field, precision agriculture. The way we farm is rapidly moving toward this hyper-targeted model. We're talking about swarm agricultural tasks where drones monitor thousands of acres of crops all at once. But here's the cool part. Instead of just giving a broad overview, they operate on a micro level. They can pinpoint exactly which individual plants are parched and need more water, or even detect pests in highly specific sections of a crop. Now, why does this matter to you and me? Well, hyper-targeting agricultural needs on a plant-by-plant basis drastically reduces waste. It means more food through efficient production, higher yields, lower costs at the grocery store for us, and ultimately a much healthier planet. Less waste, more food, healthier planet. It's a win-win all around.
Moving on to Section 5, a billion-dollar boom.
The tech world is definitely not treating this as just some lab experiment anymore. It's fully transitioned into a massive industry that's breaking into reality as we speak. In 2024, the swarm robotics market value was already sitting at a highly respectable $1 billion. But you've got to hear the trajectory they're projecting for 2033. It rockets to nearly $9.5 billion. That's almost a 10x leap. That jump really proves that the economic reality of collective AI and swarm robotics is for sure just as undeniable and massive as its environmental potential. So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this one question to think about. When you picture 5,000 autonomous drones buzzing in perfect harmony right above your head, does that feel like an environmental dream come true or a little bit of a sci-fi nightmare?